guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. We're here again today at Donington Park circuit. We are with the boys from Burton Power. We are basically mainly and most importantly testing the C1 race car in preparation for the 24 hours of Silverstone. I'll flip this around for some other cars as well. We've also got this here today as well, which is the Smurf Burton Power's Mount Tune 400X package car. It's about 410 horsepower. Got the now Mount Tuned that you probably saw me before drive this around Brands Hatch. If not, you haven't seen it, ping it up the top there, watch the video. We're now having this gonna be going around Donington, and it's now Mount Tune packaged car. In the back there we've got the GB Finch Escort, nice bit of rally kit, cool, and obviously the C1 race car. I'll show you around the paddock. There's some awesome cars out here today. Mega Type R there, we've got an R33 GTR Skyline, loads of R35s, a massive gaggle of cars. Love the neon wrap on that. That's mega, looks good. There's loads in here as well. I'll show you around some other cars as well, but look at all these GTRs, millions of them. All look nice as well. Right, so we're all tin lidded up, and yeah, Andy's going to go out in the 400X Mark III Focus RS. Tommy's going out in the little C1, and I'm out in the that. Well, obviously, we're only just on a little site in that, but take a look at some of the cars here. There's some epic cars out here. There's some mental ones. Yeah, keep watching on. We will get you some track action, and yeah, it should be a good day, I think. Sun is meant to be out for the whole day. It's not overly warm, but going to all be good. So yeah, looking forward to it. Should be a good day. And he's almost running me over. Unfortunately, some dickhead forgot his GoPro, yeah, me, but I've been out in the RS and it's absolutely awesome. I would have had a really good lap for you as well against some E46 M3, and it's absolutely superb. But yeah, I forgot my GoPro, so unfortunately you're just going to have to deal with these kind of shots, but unless I can nab and blag a GoPro from someone else, but we'll see. Watch on and see what we get. You, Chris. But yeah, we've just been out in the little C1 race car, and it's just so much fun. It's just like the KAs. It's more fun than you can have for any amount of money, honestly. You'd be surprised. So yeah, they're just brilliant. So much fun. Unfortunately, I can't get you in car footage of it, but obviously we've got a race coming up at Silverstone on the 24 hours. It's going to be record numbers, 110 cars around circuit at once. So that should be epic, and I cannot wait. So yeah, look out for that. Look at the links in the bio. I'll let you know about where you can watch that. I think there'll be a live stream on that one actually as well. So yeah, keep an eye on that, and keep an eye on the channel, and I will let you know of what's going on with that. So I've just been out in the C1 race car again, the Burton Power C1 race car. Just give it a bit more of a shakedown, get a bit more time out in the car, a bit more seat time, and yeah, pushed it a bit harder, got better times in it, and yeah, I feel really confident in it. It feels very different to the Enduro KA car, but similar in certain respects. But yeah, it's almost got a slightly more tighter turning, and it can rotate a bit easier than the KA, but the KA in the mid-range to high speed corners is a little bit more stable. So they've got kind of characteristics, very different characteristics, but yet similar, if that makes sense. But brilliant fun, so much fun. And this little beast, the Mark 8 Fiesta ST with the new mount tune kit on there, is unbelievable. I wish I could have got you some footage, but unfortunately some idiot didn't bring the GoPro. But we will get more time out in that car and this car and all the other cars from Burton Power on some very soon up and coming track days. So keep an eye on the videos, guys, and yeah, we will bring you more. Hope you enjoyed our little short video. As always, guys, thanks for the support, and as always, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.